In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore Webflow animation examples that can elevate your web design projects to the next level. If you're new to animations or simply looking to gather some inspiration, you've come to the right place. This guide will walk you through how to discover and start using incredible animation features seamlessly. Let's start by exploring some of the best animation websites created by professional designers. These examples provide a treasure trove of inspiration and are an invaluable resource when planning your web design projects. Whether you're aiming for a subtle touch or need something truly dynamic, seeing animations applied in various contexts will help you visualize the possibilities for your own work. Take note of the animations that stand out to you, and keep these in mind as you begin working on your design ideas. Next, open up your preferred web browser and enter the search term Webflow Animation. This search will lead you to numerous pages showcasing how animations can be effectively used to create engaging and interactive website designs. As you explore these examples, pay attention to the different styles and types of animations available. Some designers prefer minimalist approaches, while others might use bold and dynamic animations. This exploration phase is crucial as it helps you identify styles that resonate with your project's goals. After you have browsed through a variety of Webflow animations, you'll notice the numerous possibilities available to enhance your site. From hover effects and background animations to scrolling animations and dynamic page transitions, the world of Webflow is rich in creative potential. Take the time to examine the details and mechanisms used in these animations, as understanding them better will serve you well when it comes time to implement your own. Once you have identified an animation style or example that piques your interest, you're ready to take the next step. Choose your preferred animation and click the Clone button in Webflow. Webflow's clone feature allows you to replicate all the functionality of an animation seamlessly into your own project. This is particularly useful when you're looking to not just draw inspiration, but actually integrate tried and tested solutions directly into your workflow. Remember, while cloning and experimenting, don't shy away from making adjustments to suit your unique vision. The beauty of customizable web design is that you can take existing frameworks and tailor them to fit your brand and creative objectives. Modifying color schemes, animation triggers, and timings will ensure the animations you implement align perfectly with your site's overall design language. By following these steps, you will not only enrich your web designs with captivating animations, but also develop a deeper understanding of how animations can enhance user interaction and engagement. So dive in, experiment, and see how these dynamic tools can transform your web projects. Happy animating!